Hello viewer, it's an horse design and we have printed an image or make a clipping mask of the image there. So how we can do this, I will teach you in this tutorial. You can also try this technique to make your designs. So let's go and first choose the shape there. It's a custom shape of an horse. So let's embed the image. Take the image from the device, stretch the image and spread over the shape, make it fixed. So there is a shape we have generated and how it is looking there. We can also make the designs.